Hello and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I need to get a sip of drink. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys of some new items that I got in for my business. It's just 5 items, but I wanted to show them off to you so you can see all the other some of the new stuff that I've gotten. Now, I've already opened it up and took all the tissue paper out and everything and took a small peek just to make sure that it was all there. And it is. But I have four brand new items that I'm going to be trying and hoping that they turn out okay. Here, and I love their boxes. This is all from a website called Makerflow. They sell all kinds of things. And I love their packaging. Cute silver little boxes. This one. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you what it is and everything. I'm going to take it out of its little packaging here. This is the first brand new item that I have that I will be hopefully able to start doing and selling. It is a stainless steel flask. It holds 6 ounces of liquid, and it comes with a funnel. And the funnel is easily taken off just by unscrewing the cap, so you don't have to have the funnel on it all the time. For right now, I will be keeping the funnel on so I don't lose it. But good quality. So, item number 1 is a flask with a funnel. I'll put that back in its box in just a minute. Item number 2 is a camper mug. Well, that's what it says in the box. Box says it's a 12 ounce, but here it says 14 ounce, so I'm not quite sure. Again, the box is just a silver box. It has a clear window here to show off the product. So basically, it'd be like that in there. And then comes this. The lid comes off. Like so. I'll fix that part later. Inside of it is just a silver stainless steel mug. Comes with a lid. And the lid closes like this, so that it can be safe to drink from and not spill or anything. There's that. I'm going to go ahead and put it back into its baggie here. Put it back into its box so I don't forget it or lose it. Now, if anybody would like to see me do something on any of these items that I have, let me know, because I have some ideas and Probably going to be doing a video on them anyways. And if anybody wants any of these, let me know and I will make you something with them. And whenever I do ship these out, if these are bought or whatever, anytime I have these ones, I'll ship them out in their boxes like this. That way they're protected. The next thing on the list, well, not really, it's just another box with the window. And this is a mason jar. It is a 12-ounce mason jar. Again, it comes in a silver box with the window, plastic wrap around it, and then it has a straw. And apparently, it's the collapsible kind. Cool. Okay, I'm going to put the straw back into the package as well and keep it with it. I've actually never seen a straw like that. At least not in person. Pretty cool. Here's the inside of the mason jar. Stainless steel. Can literally do anything on it. I'm putting everything back into the packaging that it came in. At least, I'm sorry about the shaking, at least until I do something on them. And then they'll probably go back into their boxes anyways. Okay, so this one is a 12... It says 14 ounce on the box, so I'm not for sure. This might be a 12 ounce. Okay, so yeah, so this one is the 14 ounce round mug. The other one's just filled with coffee. So this one is a round mug. It is 14 ounces. They all come in the box with a window, except for the last one. There's no window for it. No, excuse me. It comes with the plastic wrapping around it. Has a handle and it's rounded. Kind of like football. But it fits in your hand. Put your fingers in like that, or just hold onto it, you know. It does have a lid, a black lid. Comes off, obviously. Inside of it. Didn't realize there's only that much of a sound. Again. I honestly cannot wait to do anything on these. But I figured I would just do an unboxing on some of it. Kind of like a review type thing on it, since it's my first time ordering from this place. Well, this was my first order. I have 2 more orders. The other order will be coming in on Saturday, so I'll probably do another unboxing then on that. And then I have another order that'll be here in about a week. So, this is a sippy cup. A 12-ounce straight sippy cup. This is the box that it came in. The only thing I see that's wrong with this one, is the fact that the box is like that. That's how it came. But it has an easy fix, and I will fix it. All it needs to be done is glued or taped back down. So that'll be fixed before I even do anything else. No, not right now, but before anyone buys it and I ship it out, that'll be fixed. Now this sippy cup comes with two different lids. So here's the sippy cup. There's the sippy cup top lid with the handles. They do screw on. Inside, this is a 12 ounce. And I can show you a comparison with the submission ones I have if you want to see. Oh, I'll put it. So the sippy cup, the handle one has the handles. And it has a silicone insert for the sippy cup lid part. So this can come out, so to wash it you would have to take this out of here. And then when it's clean and dry, you just pop it back in, like so. Not too hard to do. Just like that. Then you just screw it back on. And they do screw on only one way, so. But here is the secondary lid that goes with it to turn it into a non-handled sippy cup. It has its own little box and everything. And basically, you do the same thing as with the handled lid, only with the non-handle. And like that. So you can have either or as they're growing up. Start out with only little to where they have to have the handle. And as they get bigger, switch it to this. That way, when they're no longer needing the handles, they don't have to have the handles. But if they want the handles, they can have the handles. It's kind of personal choice. So, plus it also makes it easier to carry around. Just pick it up with the pinky if you have to and carry it. Any multitasking mamas or daddies out there, or even grandparents or whatever, sometimes all you have available is the pinky to grab and go. Sorry. Thinking of my own. But, so, when this one is, if someone buys this one and it's done, I will ship it all like that. I'll make sure that the bag is, that the sippy cup itself is in its bag. This box will be fixed. This box will be down in the very bottom, like so. That's how it came anyways. And then the sippy cup, I will probably put the design facing out so you guys could see it. But, yeah. And that is all of that, all of this order. I had a sippy cup, a 14 ounce round mug, the mason jar, the 12 ounce mug, ow, and I think I just kind of box cut myself. The flask. So, yeah. And I am very impressed with all those for the price that I paid for them and the quality of them as of so far. I am sorry my video cut off, but so far I'm liking what I have. I cannot wait to show them off, or to do something on them and be able to show them off and give them another review on them or whatever, and also to review the new box that coming in as well. So I will probably do that on Saturday whenever they get here. But honest opinion, so far so good. See you guys in the next.